In a dusty attic filled with stories of yesteryears, a teenage explorer stumbles upon a hidden relic, an aged journal. This is no ordinary memento, it's a legacy from their grandfather, a man known for his intrepid ventures into the wild. Intrigued, they pore over the journal late into the night, their childhood curiosity rekindled. The parchment tells tales of an unclaimed treasure, buried deep within the heart of the wilderness. A treasure that holds the key to unearthing riveting family secrets, the revelations of which could change their life forever. As moonlight paints their eager face, a decision is made and a quest is born. A solo expedition into the wild, armed with nothing but their grit, the journal, and the legendary family spirit of seeking the unknown. The next dawn, they step into the seemingly infinite wilderness, the promise of adventure echoing with every crunch of dried leaves and snap of twigs. Overnight, the teenager leaps from the pages of normality into an enthralling saga of courage, where